This one got hit in the side. It destroyed the B-pillar right here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit this on there and I'm going to... Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I'm hurt. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. I have a Honda Civic here. This one got hit in the side and it's getting 2 new doors. It destroyed the B-pillar right here, crushed all in this area. So it's getting a new uniside section or B-pillar section. This is how that piece comes. To prevent putting the whole piece in, they have sectioning procedures. I have these marked short right now, but it's gonna get sectioned in right around these areas. But I'm gonna cut it short to start with. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start cutting this piece off and I'll start trimming out the new piece. I might have to end up making a few pulls on this inner piece. Once I get it cut open, we'll be able to find out for sure. I don't think the inner's too bad though. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to make my rough cuts on this new part. I'm going to cut this one long and then I will measure it all out and make my final cuts on both pieces. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to sit this on there and I'm going to overlap the piece that's still on the car. Then I will mark my final cuts, measure it out, mark my final cuts, and make my final cuts. Now you can see it's sitting on here very nice. The hinge bolt holes line up perfectly. So this is the seam. This is where this panel came cut at. So on this joint, I'm just going to scribe it. Then I'll take the panel back off and I'll trim that back right to the scribe line, and that'll be my joint there. The top joint, they don't have any exact measurements. It looks like it's a few inches down from the curve, probably right about here. So I'm going to lay out a piece of tape for my cut line here. Then this front joint, they don't have any exact measurements on this one either. So I'm going to go probably right in here.
each of these joints, they want a 40mm backer plate, which is going to go back behind there where the weld goes. So I took these pieces of the scrap panel and made these backer plates. Then I actually have to drill holes and plug weld these into place. So I'm going to mark where I want to drill these holes at. I'm going to go ahead and zap these plug welds on these backers, get those backers welded in place, then I will start prepping out and final fitting my outside panel. So I got these doors all fit up to the new B-pillar rocker section. My gaps all look nice and consistent and even. So this one is actually ready to weld on. I'm going to go ahead and I'll lift the doors and everything back off, and I will be able to go ahead and start welding on that rocker panel.